All right, guys, so some people say third time's a charm. I don't believe that. I don't believe in any of that. So a lot of you guys are wondering, you know, Jay, you bought it again. I saw you posted on Instagram and Twitter that you have it a third time. In this video, I just wanted to go ahead and install my Sopiguard right out of the box like I did before. The honeycomb skin is the #1 skin in my opinion for cell phones. It is just one of the best for grip, and it looks really good. So this time around, I got the color I wanted. I got the mirror gray. Even though I'm covering it up, I do that to keep the device in pristine condition, and I want some grip because I don't like to use cases all the time. So with that being said, a lot of you guys said, Jay, you bought it again. Why? Well, the first one, I told you guys, I haven't even powered this on yet. Is there a screen protector on here? Oh, yo, it is. I got to take it off and put a white stone dome on for sure. But the first time I bought it, you guys followed that. I gave it a catch and release. You know, I just wasn't really feeling it the first time. The second time I got it, I was actually feeling it, but I started to have some microphone updates. The cameras had got an update. A lot of things were going right. And then all of a sudden, microphone problems. So this time around, I didn't go with the T-Mobile one. I went back to OnePlus.com and grabbed it. And I got the 256 gig, 8 gig mirror gray. That is it. This will be it for OnePlus for me. This will have to work. I have a bunch of cases already. I mean, I have a ton of cases that I had already purchased for the phone. Well, I bought this one. This was given to me by Rinky. And then I have the red one too. This red one will probably be sweet on here. It'll be different. Anyway, yeah, man, I am back on my OnePlus grind, and I'm trying to make it happen this time for good. I had made a vow to someone privately about this device. L Boogie, you know who you are. I just said his name. So L Boogie, yeah, I told you, you know what I'm saying, he knew it was coming in ahead of time. He knew I had placed my order or whatever. Because I was looking at him on live streams, man, and he uses this device. The front camera has that pop-up camera, and it is absolutely fantastic, man. Anyway, Sopiguard installed, ready to get this thing going here. I know it's Galaxy Note season. I know this. You don't have to tell me this. Because I have a Galaxy Note 10 Plus, which I have my Sopiguard ready. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed Sopiguard install on my brand new OnePlus 7 Pro. I'll see you guys in the next video for this thing. Take care.